Welcome to class. I'm going to read to you about bats. It's a nonfiction passage. It's written by Amy Lemons and Katie King. It has a table of contents. It says, what are bats? Different types of bats. The bat life cycle. Yummy. Where they live. Echolocation. Fun facts. And there's a glossary. What are bats? Did you know that bats are the only mammals that truly fly? Many people mistake bats for birds, but they are not birds. They are warm-blooded, have live babies, and even have a little fur like you and me. There are over 1,000 different species of bats around the world. Some are as small as the tip of your finger, and some have a wingspan as wide as a human is tall. Different types of bats. There's free-tailed, leaf-nosed bats, bumblebee, spotted bat, gray-headed flying fox, black flying fox, spear-nosed bat, little red-nosed flying fox, and spectacled flying bat. The bat life cycle. A mother bat gives birth to a single baby bat at a time. The baby bat is known as a pup. The pup will drink the mother's milk for about 6 weeks. Within 2 months, he or she will begin to fly and find food. A bat is considered an adult when they are around 1 year old. Some bats live to be about 10 years old. So down below, there's the bat life cycle. Yummy! The thousands of species of bats eat all types of food. One group of bats mostly eats small flying bugs like mosquitoes, moths, and others. The other group eats ripe fruit. There are other bats that eat different food such as frogs, fish, scorpions, and plant nectar. Where they live. Bats can be found on every continent in the world except for Antarctica. They do not like areas that are too hot or too cold. A bat's home is called a roost. They can make almost any dark place their home, such as a cave, a tree, under a bridge, and an attic. Bats live together in groups called colonies, which contain 100 to 1,000 bats. Echolocation. Bats are nocturnal. This means that they are active at night. Bats also have a special sense called echolocation. When bats are hunting at night, they send out a high-pitched sound and wait to see how long it takes for the sound to bounce off their prey. This skill is so special that bats can tell which objects are food and which objects they need to avoid when they are flying. Humans cannot hear the high-pitched noises. Fun facts. Contrary to myth, bats are not blind at all. They have excellent vision. Many bat species in the United States are endangered. Some bats migrate south for the winter. The largest bat colony in the world lives in a cave in Texas and has about 20 million bats. Glossary. So the words that were in bold that we read, they have in the glossary at the last page. So colonies is a group of bats that live together, usually about 100 to 1,000 bats, and it's on page 6. Endangered, an animal that is at risk of dying out, is on page 7. Myth, a story that many people believe, is on page 7. A roost, a home of a group of bats, is on page 6. Species, different kinds of an animals, on page 1. And vision, how something sees. So on the slide deck below, you can go back and reread this story, and you can go relearn these words. The next page you will do is that directed drawing. So you'll need a piece of paper and a pencil, and then something to color with at the end, and you'll learn how to draw that. This you will take a picture of and put on Seesaw. We're not going to watch the video now. Use the slide deck below to watch it. When you're done with that, you're going to be writing a narrative story that includes a bat as one of your characters. Use the writing paper that's in your packet. And when you're finished, take a picture of your story and submit it onto Seesaw. Then on the activities, you'll look for the light bulb. This one is there, and you're going to do a pronoun and noun sort. So get that done. Follow the instructions. And then don't forget, we do 20 minutes of IXL time. Do your skills that are recommended by me first, and then go do your math ones. Remember, you can go through the recommended tab down and look for the book. Those are the language arts ones. When you are doing math, you're going to do the three-dimensional triangle skills. And so when you get that done, then you're all done for your English and language arts skills. Have a great day learning.